Hi guys, and welcome to my video. So today is a little bit different. I'm actually doing a voiceover just to try something different, and I'm playing along with the September 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit, which is all about Halloween. As you can see, you're going to get a little advertisement promoting the Pick Your Tool. Here's the stamp set you'll get in the kit. It's totally amazing and cute. I can see using this outside of the Paper Pumpkin Kit. And then you're going to get a basic gray Stampin' Spot. I didn't really like that one though. I think I would just use my regular ink pad. So Stampin' Up! Always puts their Paper Pumpkin kits in this gorgeous tissue paper. And this kit, you get to make 24 treat bags for Halloween, and you're gonna get in the kit 3 different styles of treat bags. You're gonna get some spiders, spider webs, and this one is just an orangey like Argyle design. And then each bag is 2 1/4 by 5 inches long. And then you're going to get these white cardboard that you put at the bottom of your bags. And that will keep your bag standing up. So there's some yummy black and silver twine that you're going to get. You get your dimensionals. You get, I think there's 150 dimensionals. You're going to get your adhesive dots. So those are our tag toppers that you're going to use to put on the bags. You get some bats, some ghosts, and some pumpkins. And then you're going to get some silver foil that you can put behind them, which makes it even more spooky. Then you get your sentiments. So you got Booed, Eek, and Spooky. And it's more than enough for you to use outside of the kit. So there is our handy dandy instruction sheet. I don't use them a lot, mainly because I can't stand looking at black and white. You do get a ruler to help measure out your twine. Okay, so now I'm starting to put together at least one bag. I didn't have any candy, so I found some candy around my house, but I wouldn't dare eat that because it's a couple of months old. So I'm using that orange and white tag topper. So I'm following the bag that has the orange pumpkin. Okay, so I'm just pulling together my pieces there to get started. I'm going to use the sentiment, It's Halloween. And when I stamp my sentiment, that's when I noticed that I really didn't care for the Stampin' Spot that came. I felt like it just really didn't give a good image. And you're gonna see that I stamped off on another sheet of paper just to see if it was just me, because you know sometimes when you're using new, especially photopolymer stamps, sometimes your first impression may not be as good, and it's just because of the film that's on the stamps on the stamp. Okay, so I'm just testing it, and then I notice, okay, I just don't like it, so now I know I'll use something different. So I'm moving on, and now I'm going to adhere my Eek sentiment. It's a sticker. And you're going to have that E, the first E, hanging off the side a little bit. And now I'm going to add my twine. I'm going to measure it and cut it, and you're going to need 12 inches of the twine, and then you're going to wrap it around just once onto the tag and make a bow. And you're going to see I had a little bit of trouble making a bow. Is whenever you're doing a video is when your bow making skills never work. So like this is like the first time I've been crafting in a couple of weeks. Just because I just been in a funk. I don't know. It's not necessarily a Crafting Mojo funk. Just a personal funk that, I'm too tired to do anything. So I was finally getting some of my mojo back, and I decided to break out the paper pumpkin kit and just do some stamping. So it did make me feel really good doing it, and I was glad that I was able to get back into it. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting the bag together. So before I adhere my pumpkin, I am going to put some little foil. I did grab some glue dots. I didn't use the adhesive strips, the adhesive dots, just because I didn't feel like taking all that paper off. So I just grabbed my glue dots, added about 5 or 6 around the pumpkin, and adhered it to the silver pumpkin. Okay. I do think that is super cute. Adding that silver pumpkin, because it does give it another element to the spookiness. And then I went and I added my cardboard piece to the bottom of my bag. And then I had some Valentine's Day kisses left, so I just added those in there because I just wanted to see how it was going to look. Okay, and then you're gonna take some glue dot, and I just added 2 to the back, 2 to the front, and that's how you're going to adhere your tag. So you don't need a stapler or anything like that. And then I just added some dimensionals. I had some from another kit that was sitting beside me, so I just used those. And then I added that, and then that's it. That's the bag. I'm just gonna trim out the twine, and then that's it. So doing voiceover is interesting. I may do it again, but I need to clean this up probably a little bit. But that is it, and that will be all. Alrighty, bye bye.